Could this keyboard be the *1 keyboard to rule them all, blending premium feel with ultimate versatility? Well, the AULA F99 Pro certainly makes a compelling case. Right out of the box, this keyboard screams flexibility. We're talking about tri-mode connectivity here: Bluetooth 5, a snappy 2, 4 GHz wireless, and a reliable USB-C wired mode. What's truly impressive is its ability to connect to up to 5 different devices simultaneously. Imagine switching effortlessly between your work laptop, gaming PC, and even a tablet with just a quick key combo or a flick of that side button. It's a seamless experience that genuinely removes any connection limits, whether you're grinding through work, dominating in games, or studying late into the night. But connectivity is just the beginning. The typing experience on the F99 Pro is where it really shines. AULA has gone all out with an advanced internal structure, featuring an extended integrated silicone pad and PCB single-key slotting. This isn't just marketing jargon. It translates directly into a softer, more elastic, and incredibly satisfying key press. They've even packed in 5 layers of filling silencer between the PCB, the positioning plate, and the switches. The result: a remarkably solid feel with virtually no hollow cavity noise, just a clean, pleasant thok. And speaking of switches, it comes equipped with pre-lubed linear switches, offering a buttery smooth travel and a delightful sound profile right from the start. Of course, it's a hot-swappable custom keyboard, meaning you can easily swap out the included 3-pin or 5-pin switches without any soldering. They even include a keycap and switch puller in the box, so you're ready to customize from day one. The double-shot PBT keycaps are another fantastic touch, ensuring the legends stay vibrant and clear, resisting wear and tear for years to come. Then there's the multifunction control knob, a feature I absolutely adore. It's incredibly intuitive. In backlit mode, you can rotate it to adjust brightness or click to cycle through the 16 vibrant RGB lighting effects. Switch it to multimedia mode with a long press, and suddenly it's your volume control, or a quick click will play or pause your media. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in daily use. And for gamers, the N-key rollover ensures every command registers, no matter how frantic the action gets. Plus, you get full macro customization and even cool music rhythm lighting effects through the driver. Powering all this is a massive 8000 mAh battery, promising extended usage without constant recharging. And despite packing 99 keys in a 96% layout, it manages to save significant desktop space while still giving you those essential arrow keys and a number pad. Overall, the AULA F99 Pro is an incredibly well-rounded mechanical keyboard. It delivers on its promises of premium feel, extensive customization, and unparalleled connectivity. If you're looking for a versatile, high-performance keyboard that feels as good as it looks, this one is a serious contender.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.